Here's a new 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. Comfort, convenience, power, and performance. For most trucks, these are ideals. For this truck, it's an undeniable reality. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Ecotec 3 engine, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, active grille shutters, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional grade tool. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.